Chibiki and Asioma become very confused because if what the man is saying is true, which means they both cannot marry, the old man told everyone the truth of how the king tried to kill him with the help of his wife, Iseoma's stepmother, but they couldn't kill him. So they made a new plan with the help of a witch to make him run out of his kingdom into the forest. But God kept him alive. Shortly, Ninyu walked into the palace, walked into the throne room, and Neu told everyone a hidden secret of how the king was having an affair with the old man's wife, Isioma's stepmother. Neudo went on to tell everyone how the king slept with his own daughter, got her pregnant, gave her something to drink, but she refused, and the king killed her to cover his secret. How he uses many girls promises them a better life. When he is done using them and have no use for them, he killed them. Bitter truth out. Follow, subscribe for more. Let's go.